Welcome back to this channel, guys. So today I'm going to show you how to unlock your daily cipher code, right? Cipher Morse code. So today I released the 3 combo cards for today, which is the IT team, the meme coins, and then the Web3 Academy. So if you have not yet claimed it very fast and then get your free 5 million coins. So to do this, you have to click on where it says N per tap. And per tab, you click on it 3 times, 1 2 3, and as you can see, I have already claimed mine right here. I've unfortunately for me, I couldn't record it when I was doing it. I forgot to record it right here, but this is the code right here. It's really simple. It's a coin right here, right? So if you want to do it, you just look at it. It's dash dot dash dot. So dash dot dash dot. So when you long press and you leave, it will give dash, click on it, dot, long press and leave, dash, click on it, dot. So it is going to give you that, and then you just follow the same procedure as this. So this is the daily cipher Morse code for today. Follow it and then redeem your cipher Morse code really quick, guys. If you're new to this channel, you will help me by subscribing, like this video, and let me know what you think in the comment section. I will be there to answer all your questions and everything. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. There will be more great content in the future.